Hello friends, we are going to start AP certification term validation. We will start this series and discuss all the AP certification questions and validate this. If required, we can navigate to the system and see what is the functionality, concept, and whether the answer is correct or incorrect. Okay, in this way we can validate. So you can see what is this first question. Your company is looking to maximize yearly payment discount opportunities. So we'll be utilizing this campaign management for early payment discount offers features that will allow you to company to onboard suppliers into an early payment discount program via email based campaign. So what exactly it is? It's a new AI based application, adaptive application introduced by Oracle Fusion, where what happens when your company is planning to start one campaign where they are offering to your suppliers, your trading partner, that we are going to pay you yearly, like before the payment term date, and so that you can give us some discount, like 5% or 10% discount. So you launch this campaign and send to the suppliers through your email ID. So supplier can either reject, they can decline, or they can accept the offer. And what the answer is expecting in the email option, what is the options available for the suppliers? Okay, so let us see what exactly the concept. So first, in this case, first you have to create, you have to navigate to a application and create that early payment campaign, right? So let me go to system. So here tool, from tool you can go to AI apps administration. Okay. Here you can see Oracle Fusion has introduced some functionality for AI. The select AI apps for ERP. AI means your artificial intelligence, right? And payment discount. Just select this payment discount. Okay. So you can see here supplier and campaign. So payment discount campaign. So you have to create one new campaign here and offer this to the supplier or send to the supplier. Suppose yearly discount 7%. Okay, so you are starting, you are launching this campaign so that you want to offer a yearly payment to your selected suppliers, and if the supplier accepts, and supplier will give you 7% discount. So this offer you are making 7% discount campaign. Okay, you are starting this, for example, November 14th, right? Create this campaign. Okay, so early payment discount 7%. So you have created this campaign and you have to next step is you have to add supplier. You have suppose 50 supplier, 100 supplier. Which suppliers you want to uh, add into this campaign and send email to them. So just navigate to the supplier tab here and you can see this various categories of suppliers. Okay, not in campaign, like greater spend, newly added, high volume. So categorically you can, like, you can select specific category of supplier you want to make early payment, right? You can select ideally high volume of suppliers, like you have frequent transaction with these suppliers. You can select this kind of supplier. So based on your policy and based on your campaign plan, you can select a specific category of supplier. Here, if you see here high volume supplier, you'll get the list of all the high volume suppliers the transaction made with them. Okay, so I will select one supplier here, just and add to my campaign, current campaign. Any of the supplier you can choose here, like for example, I want to select this supplier, right? Advanced corporation. Okay, add to campaign. Early, select the campaign name here, like early payment discount 7%. Add. Okay, so let us see the supplier has been added to the campaign or not. Yeah, so just check here, early payment discount 7%, right? Just click on this, and this advanced corporation supplier has been added to your campaign. Okay, now close this, and then you have to send the email. What is the action here? Send offer. Once you have added or assigned this supplier, added the supplier to your current campaign, so send the offer to the supplier through email. Okay, so sending offer to campaign, early payment discount 7%, could send an email to as many as one supplier. Okay, so this advanced corporation will get a mail. So in advanced corporation supplier sides, whatever contact has been assigned and email ID assigned to that contact, so this contact will get that email ID, right? And sent. So in that email ID, you will get that email body. In the email body, you will get several options. Okay, so let me show you the sample email body here. So here you will get like that sample email where you will get this option for the suppliers. Either you can read the campaign, read the offer, and either you can accept one time offer, decline the offer, or enroll in standing offer, or you can unsubscribe it from the campaign so that you will not get further mail from the business. You can unsubscribe. So here, what is our question here? Okay, in this campaign, what are the three response options available to the suppliers? So unsubscribe, enroll in a standing offer, or decline the offer. So these are three the correct answer, correct options, right? So in this way, you can validate your questions. Thank you, guys. In next video, we'll see some other questions. Subscribe, like, and share our videos if you like this video.